What a beautiful day. And I pulled the mail. I'm gonna pull the mail today. And off we go. You know, I'm just pretending this is a mailbox or a mail cart, whatever that is. Here's the mail. Yeah. So, I get a next job. So, I'm just gonna keep puffing. What was that? What is happening to me? Am I getting the hiccups? Harvey? Yes, Percy? I think there's something wrong with me. I kind of seem to have the hiccups. How can I heal your hiccups? I might tell Thomas about this. Oh, yeah. Thomas? Yes, Percy? I am seem to have the hiccups. Hiccups, huh? Well, shouldn't you drink that water up there? Maybe that will work. And maybe that will get rid of your hiccups. Are you sure about that? I'm sure. But it's like so hard to climb. I'm just gonna try, I guess. Good. So, did it work? I think it didn't work. I must try another way. I know. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna... Bill! Ah! Ow. Did that work too? I think it worked. Oh, it didn't work. Because I can't think of any other ways. What else? What? Hey, I know. Wait, Thomas, what are you doing? Thomas, what are you? Ow. So did that cure your hiccups too? I think I might have did. Oh. Maybe I should boo louder. Boo! So, did it work? The hiccups are gone. Yay! Now I can pull the mail again. Well, I'm glad that's over. Oh no. No, I got the hiccups.